Brownies done right are a divine favor gifted to us from the heavens or other non-denominational location of pureness. Bad brownies, on the other hand, come from, well... Today, I'm going to show you how to make the good kind of brownies. So roll up your sleeves if you got them, wash your hands, and let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Also, try to ignore the fact that I'm doing this at 11:17 in the morning. Grease up an 8x8 baking dish and get ready to get to work. Combine 1 stick melted unsalted butter, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 cup of granulated sugar in a small bowl. Then add 1 egg and beat it in. Then add another egg and beat it in. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat it in. Next, you just have to beat it in. Stir in 1/2 of a cup of flour and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt until just combined enough that no flour pockets are hidden under the batter. Also, don't be dumb like me. Don't use a whisk at this stage, use a wooden spoon. You can also add some extra flavor bonus points by chopping up a chocolate bar and tossing it into the mix. You could also use other ingredients to make it extra special. Your batter should be, as the kids say, thicker than a Snicker. Once you're at this stage, just spread your batter into the pan and pop it into the oven for 20 minutes. Bada bing bada boom, you've got delicious, fudgy, and cheap brownies. Now, I won't keep you long, I know you clicked on this video because it's short, but let's do a price breakdown real quick. Our brownies cost just $2.93 to make, or $3.66 if you throw in the chocolate bar chunks. Getting a box of brownie mix costs just $3.49 at my local store, and if you throw a chocolate bar in one, why not throw a chocolate bar in the other, and that brings your price up to $4.22. That means that we save 56 cents by not using box mix brownies, but let's take a look at buying from a bakery. A hunk of brownie about this size from a nearby bakery cost me $2.95. By ripping this 3x3 square of brownie out of our own, it cost us only 51 cents, meaning we save a whole $2.43. Now that's a good deal. If you want more good deals, hit that subscribe button. Whatever you do, stay fresh.